The expression which wishes our visitors long life is very apt this afternoon as three groups come together to celebrate the biggest bonsai show in Asia. Please, let us all welcome with a big, warm round of applause the Honorable Minister Matsuda Kenichi, Chargé d'Affaires, Embassy of Japan.
Members and officials of the Philippine Bonsai Society, ladies and gentlemen, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Minasan, konnichiwa. Congratulations to everybody behind this grand event, especially to the Philippine Bonsai Society for its unending success in upholding the art and spirit of bonsai. This celebration is truly fitting for your 50th anniversary celebration. As I end my speech, let us celebrate the beauty of bonsai. May it continue to strengthen the pillars of our nation's friendship. I sincerely wish your organization and this event all the success. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Like you, I am very excited to connect with other bonsai lovers and Japanese art enthusiasts from June 10 to 12 to experience the wonders of this one-of-a-kind, largest, grandest bonsai show in the region. Thank you very much for coming today and enjoy the rest of the day here at the SM Mall of Asia.
So many creative minds, hands and hearts brought this event into fruition. Let us together celebrate beauty before us and the friendship that has made you come all the way to the Philippines to celebrate with us our ASPAC, ABFF, and PBSI 50th Golden Anniversary. God bless us all. Thank you.
declare Beauty Beyond Borders, Beyond Years open.